Welcome to the Storfy theme installation guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to install your new minimalistic WooCommerce theme and set it up quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and go to Appearance, then click on Themes. Next, click on the Add New button at the top of the page. Now, click on Upload Theme and choose the Storfy theme zip file from your downloaded files. This will be named storfy.zip. Once you've selected the file, click Install Now. After the installation is complete, click Activate to activate your new theme. Now you need to verify your purchase code. Click on Verify License in the theme settings, enter your purchase code into the provided field and click Save Changes. Once your purchase code is verified, you'll see a confirmation message. Next, we need to install the required plugins. Click on Begin installing plugins. Select all the plugins, then from the Bulk Actions drop-down, select Install and click Apply. Wait for the plugins to install. This process may take a few moments, so please do not refresh the page. After the plugins are installed, click on Return to Required Plugin Installer. Again, select all plugins, and this time from the Bulk Actions drop-down, select Activate and click Apply. Refresh the page to ensure everything is activated correctly. Now it's time to import the demo data. Navigate to Appearance and click on Import Demo Data. Click on the Import Demo Data button. In the next screen, click on Continue and Import. Please do not refresh the page and wait until the import process is finished. This can take between 2 to 5 minutes. Congratulations! Your Storfy theme is now fully installed and set up. You can start customizing your website to suit your needs. Thank you for choosing Storfy. We hope you enjoy your new theme and wish you great success with your website. If you have any questions or need further assistance, our support team is here to help.
Storfy, another great product by Dino AI.